I was living in Wisconsin and I wanted to be a ski bum for a season and I didn't know where to go. Drove out to Colorado to figure out where to live. And then we were going through Steamboat and there was beautiful girls on one side of the road, hippies on the other side, and said, this is it.
Miles, leaving the office.
Recreational bliss on tap.
Nomás oye mi ritmo. Conmigo. Yo solamente quiero decir que tú eres mi pasión y la sangre que corre en mi cuerpo.
that for a performance?
Look at that.
Wow.
Well, we've got a little bit of monkey. We got chimpanzee meat today. It's fresh.
It's the valley. It's the Yampa Valley and Steamboat. The people, the job, the folks I work with, especially. All my best friends are the people I work with. So that's awesome. It's the place where I can go out and be passionate about things that I love and also work at the same time. That, and to get that mix is it's invaluable. It's amazing. To actually be able to go out and do something you love and make a living out of it.
It's just the best. You just can't beat it, You just can't beat it.
Yeah, and your TPS reports have been crap lately, so if you can come in on Sunday, that'd be great.